amazing people! How are you doing? I hope everyone have a good time. So during this time of the year, we always come to celebrate Thanksgiving at the Mihai house. Instead of serving the turkey, Mihai always cook the most amazing lamb shank that I ever have in my life. His lamb shank is so juicy, so tender. Ah, gosh, I can't wait to have it. So I begging for his recipe many times, and you know what? He always say no to me many times. Until this time I say, how about if I film while you cooking? Because I want to share everyone here. And you know what? He say yes. He said yes to me. Finally, yay! I can't believe he say yes. I guess that because of everyone. So anyway, let's follow me and see how much we can steal his secret today. Let's knock the door. Oh!
You could have ring the bell. It's like this.
Okay, I'm the old traditional. สวัสดีค่ะ Okay, let's get into Mihai house. It's kind of like a Romanian style. Whoa, look at the lamb. Oh my goodness. This is can feed the whole army.
Actually, they are not that big. And the problem is, look, too big.
It's too big.
Yeah. For them, they seem smaller. But
It is not small. He have his secret place how to cut this one. I need to show you something. So technically you're going to prepare the lamb shank in one of the container that you have. Normally we put one or two in one bucket container. So that way we can serve in each portion very easily. You will see what I mean.
so let's go to herb and garlic. Oh, this much. Half
For each.
2/3 for each.
Okay.
And with a spoon I'm gonna cover up so everything. So about half of it here, the rest goes here. And I'm gonna keep it like this for half an hour, but before that,
Okay. Keep it for half an hour.
yeah,
Okay.
just be sure any piece of it is covered.
Soak in the marinade sauce.
Yeah, so I found a lamb cooked like this somewhere in San Francisco accidentally. We just stopped at the restaurant. It was kind of a shock for me because it was the first time I was able to eat something like this just with a fork.
Just with the fork.
No knife needed.
Okay.
Because the meat was so tender.
Okay.
Just eat it with a fork.
Okay.
Gotta eat.
You cook next?
Salată de vinete.
Okay.
It's eggplant salad.
Eggplant salad. Ooh, look. Beautiful eggplant.
I would say in Romania we don't have avocados. So instead of avocados we are using eggplants and mix them almost in the same way.
Okay.
Just 3 ingredients.
Okay.
But it's a lot more work than guacamole.
Okay. Wow. I'm exciting. Oh, okay, that's the most important secret ingredient. Okay.
It doesn't work without. Almost.
So you're going to turn on the oven now to what? Boil 350 and then
It's very hot.
okay.
But also I'm very hot.
I don't know where he get that confidence from.
I have to get rid of the marinade. Marinade
Oh,
is very
you need-
salty.
You need to get rid of the sauce.
Okay.
Oh no, the
I
marinade.
throw it.
Okay.
Put it back. Just like this. And I won't add salt.
Okay. Oh, we put the chicken broth.
About this much.
So to cover the lamb,
No, half of it.
half of it. Oh, the oven is ready. So now 350. So shall I say that we're going to cook like a 3 hour?
I'm gonna turn it every half an hour or
Okay.
more.
Okay.
And then later I'm gonna add the vegetables.
So he's going to add more spices coming. This man is later on the next step.
I'm gonna do like this. Cut it. Go away. That's what I want.
Oh, okay.
Okay? You see, dripping here.
So you chop to the small pieces?
Yeah, they have kind of like fibers,
Okay.
and you cannot cut them otherwise.
To make the color
Yeah,
nice. Stay.
Yeah. Otherwise it's gonna get too
It-
dark.
Yeah, it turned it black, right?
So it's very difficult to get the right color. It's tastier if you cook it more, a little bit more, but it's darker. Cook it until the oil is absorbed.
Oh my god, it smells so good. I can smell the smoky of the...
I still have to add salt.
How do you know when it's ready?
Probably 3, 4, 5 minutes more. I'm gonna clean this.
Okay, now it's done.
Yep. Salt and onion.
Are you serious?
Yep, yep.
Oh my god. You are so funny.
I'm not a multitasking guy. I think a lot of it.
How you taste it?
Professional.
Professional. Okay. I just want to take the taste, but he kind of like, no. Oh, bon appetit.
It's not good. Don't eat. Don't eat. It's not good.
Oh my god.
Again, it's not good. Don't eat it. Leave it to me.
okay. The texture is very soft, but also is you can get the sweet from eggplant, and then a little bit touch of lime and the seasonal salt. Oh my god, it's just eggplant salad, but it's so good. And the fresh tomato is in the eggplant salad. Ooh, looks so cute. Thank you. Oh my god, it's bubbling.
So now I'm gonna add spices and turn it.
Okay.
Oh, like this. This goes with it. Exactly. It is sensitive. So all the
Into the
juice.
wow.
Turn them again.
Oh my goodness. Oh no.
The good one.
Wow.
So
So we have some technical problem at Mihai house because his restroom is not function, so we have to be suddenly moved to the friend house. Chang is ready. Ooh, look at this. Cheers! Okay, wow. If you look here, it's so tender. I don't need a knife. Okay, let's taste it. Wow, first thing is thank you Mihai for cooking this long.
this time is good.
Wow, the meat is so soft but also tender. I wish you guys can join me today. Tip number 1. The fresh lamb is in the season between March to October. The store will label as a spring lamb, which means it's produced between March to October. However, the frozen lamb is available year-round. Tip number 2. The perfect size to cook and serve lamb shank is about 1 pound per each. It's not too small and not too big. Tip number 3. Make sure you rinse off the marinade sauce after 30 minutes before you add the broth and cook in the oven. Otherwise, the lamb shank it can be super salty if you leave it on. Tip number 4. Turn each side for each hour. This will ensure that the lamb shank is cooked evenly. And that's it. Happy Thanksgiving everyone! And thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please help to subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye!